In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install CData Connect Cloud for Jira. This handy tool will help you integrate Jira with numerous data sources, enhancing your project management and collaboration capabilities. Let's get started and walk through the process together, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. First, what you'll want to do is navigate over to the Apps section. You can find this on the left panel within your Jira dashboard. By clicking on Apps, you'll open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your Jira experience. This is where you can access new tools and extensions that can make project management and collaboration smoother and more efficient. Next, you'll see an option to explore more apps. Click on this to enter the marketplace where a multitude of apps are waiting for you. This is the place to be, to discover the latest and most useful add-ons that can augment your Jira environment. Once you are in the app marketplace, use the search function to find exactly what you need by typing in CData Connect Cloud. This is a powerful tool that allows seamless integration with a variety of cloud applications, giving you the ability to connect your Jira data effortlessly. When you find CData Connect Cloud, click on it. You'll be taken to its dedicated app page. Here, you can find detailed information including features and reviews, which can help you understand what other users think and how this app might fit into your workflow. This is a great way to ensure it meets your needs before proceeding with the installation. Once you've decided to go ahead, locate the Install button at the top right of the app page. Click on Try for Free to initiate the installation process. This will allow you to explore the tool with no upfront commitment, so you can test its features and ensure it integrates well with your existing setup. Finally, after initiating the free trial, follow the connection instructions provided by CData. They will guide you on how to link CData Connect Cloud with your existing Jira account. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully to facilitate a smooth connection and to start leveraging the powerful integration capabilities it provides. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully installed CData Connect Cloud for Jira. With these enhanced integrations, you're now well equipped to expand your project management capabilities and ensure seamless data flow across your cloud applications. Enjoy the improved efficiency and control over your workflows. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy integrating!